Hey there everyone, my name is Lily Santoya. I'm a professional face painter from San Antonio, Texas, and I wanted to share with you guys today how I do my unicorns. This is the most popular request I get on any job. So I start off with a 3/4 wash brush. Typically I used an angled brush on the job, but it doesn't matter. And I'll be using this fun stroke from Global throughout the whole design. So this is actually called Neon Nirvana. And as you can see, I've gone through it quite a bit. So we'll load our brush, and this brush is a generic one, but just use whatever brush is the most comfortable for you. So here we go. We'll go ahead and do one stroke. And I apologize for my sniffling, guys. It's allergy season. Alrighty. And we'll do 2 more strokes. I was kind of deciding what direction I wanted the face of the unicorn to go, so I apologize for that. Alright, here I've got just a brush from Art Factory loaded with Diamond FX White. It's a round number 4. So we'll create a circle here for the head of the unicorn. And you can turn your brush on its side and then paint that large area. Makes it a little easier. So the muzzle part is going to be more of a square shape. And look how far it sticks out from the circle. Not very far, right? So just keep that in mind. We'll create the horn here as well as the ear off to the side and the unicorn neck. So the wonderful, beautiful, and innovative Laura Pennock taught me that. She says no floating unicorn heads. And you can find her on YouTube here too, actually. So now I've got this is actually a 1/2 inch angled wash. Again, it's a generic brand. And so I'm loading more so the purple and pink from this fun stroke. And this is going to be the hair. Typically little girls say they like purple or pink. So we'll go ahead and use those colors. So here I decided to give her some chunky bangs. And then we're going to flow her hair out. This is going to be in a circular motion. You see the flow in which the hair goes. So I love 1 strokes for this. It gives it different levels of shades for the colors. It's really amazing. Alright, here I've got Paradise Maron Iridescent Glitter. I dab my finger on a baby wipe and then pick up the dry cosmetic glitter with that. Look how great that works. So I was fortunate enough to purchase this and meet Mark Reed and Monique Lilly at the ACE convention, Austin Convention for Entertainers. So that was really fun. Alright, I've got my Lowell Cornell and round number 2. We're going to load that with black. Alright, now the outlining can begin. So we do 1 straight line on the top of the unicorn horn and then swoop down to create those the little levels in the unicorn horn. We'll outline the ear as well as the unicorn head. Remember that the muzzle part of the unicorn is more square, so be aware of that. We'll do outline her bangs here, her chunky bangs. And so here we're just creating the flow within her hair, right? So I'm going to add a few waves and curls here just within the outside. Just gives the hair a little bit more motion. So here we'll add a curl at the end, just like on her bangs. We'll stamp down her nostril and we'll add an eye. I typically always do a closed eye. That's just because it's a lot faster, especially for wiggly kids. So now I'm going to load my round number 4 actually with the pink from the Fun Stroke. And I'm going to create a large blush for the cheek here. So cute. All right, now I'm getting my little Cornell. Round number 2, I'm just gonna wash it off real quick and load it with Diamond FX White. We're gonna be creating filigree here. And I love swirls and teardrops. It takes up so much space, and once you get it down, it's so fast and it's so easy. So here we go, we're gonna fill all this area with swirls, teardrops, filigree. And this always gets a real, like a wow from adults. I mean, they're really impressed by good line work. So here we go, we're just going all the way down, and then, so the swirls and teardrops will get smaller as we come down to the design. And then I'll show you my double dip flower. I just use my low Cornell round number 3 is the one I typically use on the job. So I load it with Diamond FX White, and then I will take any color. You can use blue, purple, pink, yellow, and I'm using pink from the Fun Stroke. And I'm just swirling the tip of it in there. And so I'm going to stamp the brush down, and I'm going to do 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There you go, that's the flower. And so little girls love this particular accent on the unicorn. Sprinkle with iridescent glitter and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope some of these tips help you out with your next unicorn design. Bye guys.